Stop mowing. Come on. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am trying to speak as loud as I can over all the mowing like usual going on outside, and I'm trying to hold in all the coughs that I have to let it out. I don't know, it's either I got sick or I'm allergic. I have no idea what is happening. I'm losing my voice and it's not good. I'm trying my best. Stay with me. Today we are reviewing another kit. This kit is a mermaid kit. It's very pretty. I love the colors. I like the whole concept of it. I like that it's not like huge and over the top balloon garland, but in my opinion it's just enough to decorate for your party. I will list this kit and everything else on top that I used in the description under this video, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. All right, let's quickly go over this package over here. This package is from Anastasia, a company that I reviewed a few other kits and packages, and this one I think I'm the most excited about because it has balloons and it's a mermaid theme. So let's open this up. I like that the kit includes this balloon tire right away, so you don't have to go and buy it yourself. So this is really nice. This is a tire that you put on your fingers and you wrap your balloon around, and that way you tie a knot on your fingers without, you know, damaging your skin on your fingers. Very handy. I like it. Then this balloon strip over here to construct your balloon garland. Balloons. I'm assuming, looking at it, there is a 12-inch balloons and 5-inch balloons in two packages. The thank you card. Then glue dots to fill in spaces on your garland. This balloons in shape of a tail. Oh, a few stars. That's cute. And this is the tail that you need to blow up, and you can attach it to your balloon garland because it's a mermaid theme, obviously. That's cute. That's very nice. And it comes with this little straw to inflate your balloons. Then there's a banner over here. I am not sure what it says, but we'll find out together. It's already strand. That's very nice. You don't have to find a string. Looks like it says under the sea. Under the sea. That's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the letters. They are made from very thick cardstock, just the way I like it. And one last thing that they have in this kit is this happy birthday topper. I'm assuming you can use this topper for your cake. Unfortunately, mine came in with a broken stick over here. I guess you can find a straw or a you know, skewer stick and re-glue it, but this is, oh, that's so sad. But on the other hand, this topper over here made with a really nice cardstock as well. It's not flimsy and it holds really, really cute and nice. I like it, and I like the color. It's like an under the sea color. Alrighty guys, so this kit doesn't come with a pump, so I'm using my electric pump, which I love. I can't go without it. Let's grab our tire and blow these balloons individually without pairing them. So individually blow, individually tie using this tire over here. Let's go. When you are blowing these balloons, please don't tie your knots too tight. Leave them really fat knots. I'm going to give you an example in just a little bit. Here, you guys, I'm going to show you the difference between knots, and I'm going to explain what I mean by tying a knot too tight and not really. So here you can see a knot over here. I tied it a little bit too tight, and here is the knot that I left kind of loose knot, but it's a knot and it holds the air really nice. So as you can see, it's a big difference. This balloon over here, it will probably slip out of that balloon strip that I'm about to use to construct my balloon garland, and this one will stay in place and nothing will slip out. So watch out for your knots. Don't tie them too tight if you're using your balloon strip. Is the balloon strip that comes in the kit. This is a little different than I'm used to. Usually I use balloon strips with 2 holes, like you insert into bigger one and then slide to the smaller one. This does have just 1 hole, as you can see over here, and that's about it. It's gonna be something new for me to try, so I'm excited. I'm going to show you, or try to show you as close as possible, explain as much as I can. So let's construct our garland. Taking my first balloon and inserting into this hole over here to make sure my knot pops through this hole in the balloon strip. Let's keep on inserting, mixing up the colors. You guys, I'm not skipping any holes. I'm working with every single hole so far. So it's been 4 balloons in every single hole. I'm starting with all of the bigger balloons, all the 12-inch balloons, just to have my tail like thicker at the bottom, and then it's gonna thin out at the top. I did skip a hole just now for this green balloon, and I am not twisting my balloon strip. I'm keeping my balloon strip in one direction, one side, and yes, not twisting. Looking really cute and nice. I'm going to skip one hole again. Guys, skipping a hole, you need to see or feel your balloon garland. If the balloons are kind of getting really smushed together, then please skip a hole. If you see that they're doing okay and the balloon garland looks really good, then don't skip any holes. Just go by the feel of your balloon garland. Okay, all of my big balloons are on the balloon strip. Now I want to try to insert some of the smaller balloons. We'll see how it's going to look. Look what we have right now. I like what I see right now over here. I'm taking a regular safety pin. You know what? I think I'm going to insert a little bit more balloons, smaller balloons into holes. So I'm taking my safety pin, inserting my safety pin through one of the holes that the balloon strip has, and then pinning to the fabric. Alright, I have my tail over here. Let's blow this up and see how it's going to look with this amount of balloons. My tails are ready and they look pretty good with the amount of balloons that I have over here. So now we need to figure out how are we going to attach this to our garland. I am taking my glue dots. I want to glue these two halves together. So I'm taking glue dots and placing them right where two halves will meet, and gluing them together. Just like that. They hold really nice. Sorry, I'm holding my glue dots with my mouth, so it holds really nice. So now we need to attach this right here. It kind of stays. Hey, that's awesome. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to take one glue dot and glue a glue dot to this green aqua color balloon and then press against my tail, because I don't want to lose my tail, even though it stays and holds itself really good. Okay, looking very nice. You guys, so far so good. Now I want to work with my leftover balloons over here, not leftover, but the balloons, to fill in spaces and make this tail more full. Happy with how the balloon garland looks. The only thing I want to fix is to take the safety pin and pin it lower than it is now, kind of hide it behind my tail. It looks really good. I do have a lot of glue dots left, so that's good. You can add as many glue dots to your balloon garland as you want, kind of like looking what balloon is kind of loose, or where you want to make your balloon garland more tighter together. Just add some glue dots and it will be good to go. Now it's time to hang our banner under the sea. I will be doing exactly what I've been doing for so long. I am taking my pins with pearls on top, piercing through that ribbon that is stranded into the letters, and pinning that pin to my fabric. So let's go. Alright, time for our stars. I'm inflating them again with that drinkable, or any drinkable straw, or the straw that came in the kit with all the balloons. To put these stars, some of them, we'll see, maybe all of them, on my balloon garland, kind of like going like this here and there, so it'll be a lot cuter, and I like it. So I'm taking my glue dots again, Let me quickly show you how I pinned my letters. So I took a pin with the pearl on top, as you can see here. I pierced through this ribbon over here and went through the fabric a few times, and that's about it. I did the same thing to my other side, and over here with my tail, as you can see, I took my safety pin, went through one of the holes on my balloon strip and pinned it to my fabric. Here is what I have for you guys today. Very simple to do, very pretty at the same time, and I really like it. I really do. The quality of the balloons are pretty nice. I wish I would have more of these pearl balloons in this set, but other than that, everything was good and everything worked really well together. As I said, they had enough glue dots in this set, so it was nice. And I love the lettering a lot. I like the thicker cardstock that they used for this. Very cute. I will list this set in the description under this video. I will play with some uplighting and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my review on this Mermaid Balloon Garland kit. I like it, as I said a little bit earlier, quality and the quantity of everything, I like it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. And you guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be there to chat with you and help in any possible way that I can. And I will see you back very soon. Bye!